Hello guys! Welcome to Bar and Bridge YouTube channel. Bago po tayo magsimula, huwag niyo pong kalimutang i-click ang like and subscribe buttons sa inyong mga screen. Ngayon po, magluluto tayo ng glutinous rice cake. Napaka-easy, napaka-simple lang ng ating mga ingredients. Pero napaka-creamy, napaka-delicious, at napaka-soft ng ating cake. Ito po yung ating mga kailangan ingredients. Bago matapos yung video, makikita nyo po yung mga exact measurements ng bawat ingredients. Meron po tayong 3 whole eggs, 1½ cup glutinous rice flour, warm water, sugar, condensed milk, and butter. Bale, about 20 grams butter po yung ginamit ko, melted butter. So, i-melt natin. Mix po muna natin ang ating glutinous rice flour and sugar. Haluin po natin hanggang makombine yung ating sugar and glutinous rice flour. And then put 1 can condensed milk, or depend kung gaano katamis, depend on your taste. If you like it sweeter, 1 can, or if you don't like too much sweet, about 3/4. And then I put the warm water. I put it in the can also, the warm water. About 1½ cups or 1 cups. But I use 1½ cups of water. And then, yung ating melted butter. Let's set aside first. And then, let's beat the eggs. So, I use 3 whole eggs. Then mix natin sa ating mixture, and then stir, haluin natin mabuti, and make sure no lumps or buo-buo. Haluin lang po natin mabuti hanggang sa maging smooth na or wala ng lumps or buo-buo yung ating mixture. Smooth na ang ating mixture. Well mix na. Make sure na lahat is na-dissolve yung ating mga dry ingredients. Dapat lahat na-dissolve. then put pinch of salt. Then mix again. Napaka-easy lang po ng ating glutinous white cake. Bale, isasaing lang natin siya, lutuin lang natin siya kagaya ng pagluluto ng sinaing ng kanin. So, ito na po yung ating mixture. And then, prepare na po natin ating paglulutuan. Bale, yung ginamit ko po ay yung rice cooker na merong settings. Yung malaking rice cooker, non-stick cooker. Bale, may settings po. Pwedeng lagyan ng timer. Ayan po. Ganyan po yung loob niya. Kung gagamitin niyo po is yung mga normal lang na rice cooker, yung mga warm and hot lang, lahidan niyo po ng butter para hindi dumikit yung ating mixture pag naluto. Tandaan niyo po, kailangan lahidan niyo pa rin ng butter. So, in-strain ko po. Strain the mixture. And then, cook it like the way you cook rice. So, ayan na po. After ko naluto, I cook cheese on top. And then, cook again for about 5 minutes. After that, eto na po yung ating glutinous rice cake. So, hayaan nyo lang pong lumamig para hindi kayo mahirapang matanggal sa rice cooker. Ito po yung ating mga measurements ng mga ingredients. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more video. Bye-bye!